Welcome to the YouTube channel of Snelata Shrivastava, XSG Lok Sabha. In this video, I am going to tell you about the President address and motion of thanks. Today is the day I am recording this video is 26th November 2024, and today is the Constitution Day. I am going to congratulate all the subscribers and my audience for Constitutional Day. Then the president address is very important, and that actually indicates that president is the supreme authority for the parliament. As per Article 87 of the Constitution, the President's address to members of both houses of Parliament assembled together is delivered in the Central Hall of Parliament House, which after building a new Parliament, it is the Lok Sabha where it was planned to have the session for President address and other joint sessions. So this is a ceremonial program, and a fortnight before the date fixed for President address, a draft due letter to the military secretary to the President will be put up by table office inquiring about the program to be observed on the arrival and departure of the President in case the same has not already been received. Then checking of program. As soon as the program drawn up by the Office of Military Secretary to the President is received, it will be carefully scrutinized by the table office. If any departure from the usual practice is noticed in the order of procession, it will be brought to the notice of Secretary General immediately, and further action will be taken in the light of the order passed. Copies of the programs, as finally approved, will be made available to Secretary to the Speaker, Private Secretary to the Deputy Speaker, Secretary General, and other office bearer concerned. Then the military secretary to the president, while forwarding the program for the president's address, also intimates the date on which the rehearsal of the presidential procession to be held. The date and time for rehearsal so proposed will be examined and confirmed with the military secretary to the president. After the date of the rehearsal is settled, a few assistant officers working under JS Parliament and a few officers of Rajya Sabha Secretariat in consultation with that Secretariat will be detailed to deputize the dignitaries in the procession. So this is the initial preparation for the presidential address. Thank you.